5Linx introduces the latest advancement in wireless communications, the 5Linx Wi-Fi phone. The 5Linx Wi-Fi phone lets you use your 5Linx service anywhere there is a Wi-Fi connection. You can use the 5Linx Wi-Fi phone in your house, at hotels, in coffee shops, at airports, just about anywhere in the world. Since it has an internet browser, you can easily log into Wi-Fi hotspots, even if they require a web sign-in. The 5Linx Wi-Fi phone works on your existing Wi-Fi router and DSL or cable internet service. It uses 5Linx VoIP, so you can enjoy the same great calling plan with unlimited calling anywhere in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Plus, free calls to landline phones in the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Spain, Portugal, Italy, China, and Australia for one low price. The expandable 5Linx Wi-Fi phone is a Nokia N95 with a new look and bigger screen. The Nokia N95 multimedia computer has more of what you're looking for, including a 5-megapixel camera, DVD-like quality video, and Carl Zeiss optics. You have the ability to easily access your music and your emails, browse the web, and take advantage of integrated GPS and Nokia maps. You can even upload photos instantly to Flickr or download videos with ease. It's what you need. It's where you are. The Nokia N95 is one of the most popular phones in the world. And this 5Linx Wi-Fi phone is also a cell phone. Simply insert an active SIM card from any cellular provider, like T-Mobile, AT&T Wireless, or Orange, and you will have two phones in one. And if you live in a home that isn't covered well by your cellular provider, the 5Linx Wi-Fi phone is the perfect solution. With the 5Linx Wi-Fi phone and any wireless broadband connection, you will experience seamless coverage and global links quality. The 5Linx Wi-Fi phone is the best way to stay connected with your digital life. Order your Nokia N95 today. It's what computers have become. Log into your virtual office or visit your personal website for additional details and pricing.